my shoulders and my right elbow.
Left leg, shoulder, and elbow. Okay, right elbow or left?
Right.
Right, all right. Squeeze the legs. Squeeze them as tight as you can. Don't let me pull them apart. Ready, and go. And just in case you weren't ready, squeeze them with all your strength. Don't let me pull them apart. Ready, and go. Now, folks, this is his legs versus my little bitty arms, and they still won't stay together. Now, don't let me push the legs together. Ready, and go. Whoa. And hold it up. Don't let me push it down. Ready, and go. Hold it up. Don't let me push it down. Ready, and go. And bend the knee on up. Spin the foot on in. Don't let me spin it out. And how about the other one? Bring it out up. Don't let me spin it out. Now, does he have optimal performance in his legs right now? No. Arms up. Hold them right there. Don't let me push them down. Ready, and go. Turn them apart. Ready, and go. And reach through those thumbs. I heard that. Ready, and go. Ready, and go. Hands to belly. Now, starting in the neck to get that grip back. All right? We're going to start with getting the grip back. Yeah. Further with that neck of yours here. Just drop it on in there. There it is. Bring finger to the thumbs. Squeeze that with all your might. Ready, and go. And squeeze that with all your might, and go. And one adjustment. Grips back. I love it. Now, I'm going to put you on your belly because, yeah, we need to work a low back on you here today.
I was going to say, like, I can't do jump ropes right now that very long because it kills my left calf. I can be sedentary and it kills my left calf.
Woo. All right. Nose in paper, arms on the armrest, bringing it on down. Now, let's first check to see how the tailbone's lining up without bending the knee whatsoever, high up as it goes. How about the other one? Now, one easier than the other?
Oh, the right one's a little easier.
Yes, it is. Actually, one a few inches higher. Now, turn the head this way. Now, coming through the butt cheek, all right? Just going to grab two tools here. And this might be a little tender on you. You know, you students been sitting on your butts a lot the last couple of weeks here.
Yeah.
All right, keep looking my way. Big breath in, all the way out. Go. Look straight down. Big breath in, all the way out. Number 10 coming at you. There it is. Turn the head this way. Now, here we go. Coming right in on T3 here. Look straight down. Now, coming in, take T3 a little further here. Nice and relaxed, bring it over here. There it is. Now, perfect. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, you're still way off. Way off. Now.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Coming into the butt cheek. Gonna lift that tailbone way up there. You have been sitting on your butt too long here, Tristan.
Yeah,
Good thing finals are over, huh?
I'm in summer school.
Oh, you're right back at it already?
Yeah.
Oh, good for you.
You gotta sit through a 4-hour class.
Per day?
Mm-hmm. 4 days a week.
Yikes. Yikes.
It's very uncomfortable.
Now, this ankle right on top of that ankle. There we go. Uncross. breath in, all the way out. There it is. Show me how high this one comes up this time. Hello, and now the other. And look at that, both better and equal. Pretty sweet. All right, here we go. Tristan, this is going to be painful. You feeling it a lot in your right calf?
This one?
Yeah.
No.
No, I mean when you're asleep, is it the pain in your right calf?
Left calf.
Left calf.
I mean, it's... I'm almost deem it useless except for walking. I don't know what it is. I almost thought I had shin splints, but it's in the back.
It's right there, huh? Just a knee here. Feel your head. Immediately rotate it in.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, let's bring you up, turn you around. Let's see if his legs work. I have a feeling they will. What do you think, Tristan?
I hope so. Haven't been working for me the past week.
Turn around, bring you all the way down. Now, this time, Tristan, squeeze those legs all your might. Now let me pull them apart and go. And bring them apart. Only push them together, ready and go. And hold it right up there, ready and go. And now the other one right there, ready and go. Bend it on up, only spin it out. How about the other one? Only spin it out. And just gonna go a little further here. There it is. One more time. And go. Perfect. Arms up. Hold them right there, only push them down, ready and go. Turn them apart, ready and go. And ring for those thumbs. Don't pull them apart. Don't pull them apart. I want you sitting up facing that direction because let's get you off of your study kick. Sitting right here. Now. Here we go. Coming in on T11, transitional segment here. Took out his hunch from him sitting. Nice good posture. Yeah, coming all the way down to tailbone right here. Superior tailbone, opening up the L5, S1 space right there. Yeah. Now standing on the white line for me. Alright. Tristan, changes in the shoulder?
What's that?
Shoulders change?
I went to Kennywood on Saturday and it was hurting pretty bad after that. So I don't know if that's me throwing it out or if that was just...
What's Kennywood? Is that the water park or the...
Oh, no, roller coaster.
Roller coaster.
Yeah.
Now, let's get that radial head. Hold that right like that. Yeah, just relax, 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 relax.
Oh,
just coming in on that radial head. There it was. Nice. That was easy. Now, I'm going to take a little bit further on that elbow of yours here.
Oh, yeah, I can feel it.
Yeah. Now, coming on first rib on the right hand side, put you in special position. Tilt back, tilt right, look left, hold that. And here we go, right there. It's going to be tender. Oh, wow. And relax. Here we go. Now this one's going to hurt really bad. There it is. Wow.
Okay, good. It wasn't as long as I thought.
Whew. Now, cranial adjustment here, the sphenoid. The sphenoid is always the emotional bone, remember? You haven't had any emotional things going on the last 2 weeks, huh?
Not really.
No? You weren't worried about classes, worried about studying, worried about your grades that you're going to get? No?
No, I got the best grade in my class.
Yeah, that's awesome. In all your classes?
Well, I only got 3 during the summer because they're 4 hours long each. So I only have 1 right now, and then the next part of the summer I have 2. Those ones I'm worried about.
There it is. Perfect adjustment for you, Tristan. All right.
So you don't think, okay.